Hi there folks, my name is Jasper Malone. I'm an entertainer and musician from the UK. I'm opening for bookings again, so I thought I'd make a little showreel. I am now open for bookings from January. It would be great to hear from you.
And I know she'll be the death of me, at least we'll both be numb. She'll always get the best of me, the worst is yet to come. At least we'll both be beautiful, just live forever young, this I know. She told me don't worry about it. She told me don't worry no more. She told me don't worry about it. She told me you'll never be alone. I can feel my face when I'm with you. But I love it. But I love it.
How we feeling out there, folks? Are we alright? Alright. Hey, give it up for the trip to Motown.
I think sometimes it's good to have a good laugh on stage too.
No religion to imagine all the people living life in peace. Is she crying? It's not that bad. You may say I'm a dreamer.
I can play music at any sort of party catered to the audience that you have there, be it a birthday, a wedding, or just a small gathering.
I flow to you, my darling, with the evening on my tail. Although not the most honest means of travel, it gets me there nonetheless. I'm a heartless man at worst, babe. You're a helpless one at best. Oh darling, I'll bathe your skin, I'll even wash your clothes. Just give me some candy before
I'll leave you with this last video of me having a great time with a full band on stage, just to show you how much fun we can have up there and how much we can get people involved. Again, if you like what you hear, you can reach out via my website, jaspermalone.com.
A man walks down the street, says it's a street in a strange world. Maybe it's a third world, or maybe it's his first time around. He doesn't speak the language, he holds no currency. He's a foreign man, and he's surrounded by the sound. They were calling the marketplace, they were scowling the orphanages. He looks around, he says angels to the architecture spinning in infinity. He says, amen, hallelujah, if you be my bodyguard. Well, I could call you Betty, and Betty, when you call me, you can call me ba-da-ba-ba, ba-da-ba-ba. Come on guys, get louder.